I might have mentioned this when I first came into Greenville. I had to stop and get me a Boberry Biscuit from Bojangles. And I finally got it before I leave the state. I got me a Boberry Biscuit. So we're going to try this. They are the best thing around.
Where are you? It's time to hit the road now, Motley Rue, so much to do. Let's see where this day will go now. Rolling on down the highway, dog ears in the wind. Let's find another sweet surprise. Motley Rue, where are you? We're chasing every scenic view. Motley Rue, just me and you, cruising in the van like we always do.
Cool little roundabouts. Did I go through here on my way? This looks familiar. I went around one of these and I went around twice just to get a picture of the. It's the same one. It looks different, but I love those roundabouts that have the courthouse in the middle. I just wish I wasn't following this track that I'm supposed to stay back 200 feet from. Hoping he would turn off somewhere.
I don't know where he's going.
But we are in Carthage, North Carolina. I don't think I came this way because this is south of Asheville, and I came in on the north route. Gee, look at that house. Man. Victorian homes. That's cool. Look at this.
Is that the one Annabelle burnt down? I know it was mysterious that caught on fire. That's not what people are saying.
Anything about Annabelle?
The haunted doll from the movie. It's a real doll. And apparently they like took her to Texas or something and like let her out, and everyone was saying that like she was making all these bad things happen. And she was like burning up Texas.
Like in the movie, or?
No, in real life.
Oh my God.
It is a real life doll.
Oh my God.
That's like haunted. But it looks even creepier in real life. It's like a Raggedy Ann red hair doll. Like a stuffed one. Yeah. I think it was like Texas, Louisiana, like somewhere else. Where they took her.
It's my copilot.
Actually feels kind of nice.
Cold or
A little bit. I dipped in a nice water.
is it a nice water?
Yeah, a couple cubes of ice.